जॉन, इमरान, आप दोनों से जानना चाहूँगा, दिस इज़ द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम यू वर्किंग टुगेदर, आप दोनों का एक्सपीरियंस दूसरे के साथ कैसा रहा और एक दूसरे से क्या क्या सीखा?
So Imran has been, and I'm saying this on record, I mean, probably one of the most fantastic co-stars you can have. As a person, as an actor, as a human being, I've always been a fan of his for the films he's done. And मुझे याद है, I was driving back from Chandigarh, एक बारी दिल्ली तक आ रहा था, and I was looking for my songs, and the only songs I found was Imran Hashmi Rocks, Volume 1, Volume 2. And I realized that Imran Hashmi has got more hit songs than all the heroes put together in this industry. But leaving that aside, I think he's very intense. He's a good human being, and I think मेरे लिए तो वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. I'd love to work with him again because not only am I a fan of his as an actor, but even as a human being, he's absolutely fantastic. और जो काम करा है इसमें, the way he has done his role and his job in this film, he's absolutely outstanding. So I'm very happy. I'm fortunate that I worked with him.
Well, this definitely is a mutual admiration society here, क्योंकि I have the utmost respect for John ever since he started off. और हम मिलते रहते थे भट्ट साहब की ऑफिस में जब इन्होंने जिस्म किया था, और we've known each other for very long. And आप एक एक्टर की वर्क एथिक तब समझते हैं जब आप सेट पे जाते हैं. तो what really works big time for me is when an actor comes on time on set. And John is always on time and he's always involved. And without mincing my words, I can say कि ये जो character है अमर्त्य राव का, I can't see any other actor play it because he's so इतनी शिद्दत के साथ and with such honesty he has played this role. And as far as a human being, you know, people generally don't really know, you know, वो PR VR चीज़ होती है the actors put out over there, but there's so many things that people don't know about John. जब मेरे बेटे बीमार हुए थे, the first call that came, 2 calls had come from the industry, although we were not that close at that time. I remember ICU के बाहर बैठा था and John का phone आया था, and he said, Imran, if you need anything, I'm always there, and that really moved me. I think that goes, you know, और ये सब चीज़ें, you know, these things we don't talk about, obviously पेपरों में नहीं आता है, but this is the true character of a person, and you know, I have great admiration for him.